Hello everyone, I'm back for another video. Today we're gonna do build a buggy, X-ray nitro buggy 2020 to 2020. Before we started, shout out to Nitro Freak, Mr. Chili, EKJ, David. Shout out to everybody. If I don't mention, shout out to everyone. Yeah. I watched the video Nitro Freak. It was awesome video. I like it. I like his content. Yeah, it just educational content. I love it, and I start watching his channel, and I get a good information. I learn some stuff, so which I like it. I know there's some haters out there, but you know, I think it's gonna be always there. It can't be. Um, I think I'm trying to ignore those, trying to ignore it, but I know, I know how it feels, to be, talking behind your back or something like that. But I don't want to be mentioned this anymore. But um, yeah, it's not good. So I don't pay attention to that anymore. Yeah. And just let's move on to let's move forward so that we can, we can do our stuff here. So yeah. Let's go start from the rear def. I have the rear diff right here. I'm not really like I'm not the best uh, explain for this, as you can tell that I have accent, so it's hard for me to pronounce sometimes because, the more I make video, the more my English is getting better. So uh, but anyway guys, let's do it. Make sure I have a manual right here. I had a manual with me. I have some tools ready. I got the oil def ready and some grease in there. I have the manual, and download the manual online. Just type it in, and then it will show you the some parts over here. It will show you how to do it. Okay guys, let's get started working on this. Yeah, so this one is gonna go first according to the manual. It's like a drive shaft, so I think I'm gonna put it over here. I think I'm gonna put some oil in there a little bit. Maybe WD-40 should be good. Just spray, and there you go. I like to put some little oil there, and there you go. And we'll see. Get lost. So before I put this, I'm gonna put this one too. Spray right here. Spray it out. Then put the bearing. Then put the drive shaft. And yeah. Then I have it's like a tiny piece of rubber right here. Then I'm gonna put it inside. I think my voice is too soft, so I need to be firm a little bit so that you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So I'm right there. Anyway guys, I try my best to make the video, and I'm not expert. Okay, and anyway guys, I'm not here to I'm not here to be, to show off. Oh, I know how to do it. I don't. Everyone can do it. Just have to try it. Um, yeah. Next, I'm gonna put this metal right here thing, and yeah, let's put it in there, and then there's a lock pin, and this right here, the gear, one of the gear. Said that's the one next. Lock it up. That's it. Then I'm gonna put the gasket here, and have to aim it. There you go. Now next we're gonna do the other one. The same thing. Just put some oil and put the bearings first. According to the manual, this is gonna go first, I think. Yeah. Then the shaft, the drive shaft. Okay. Inside. There you go. Nice. And I put I'm gonna put this right here. The rubber. Anyway, guys, it might be this video, it might be boring, might be a long video, I believe, because it takes a lot of time, I apologize. Put the pin. Let me see what's the next. And I'm gonna put the I think this is gonna go first, I think. Yeah. Sorry guys. Put this thing first. The metal. The washer. The big washer. And I'll put the pin. There you go. Now I'm gonna put the where we at now? I'm gonna put the gear there. There you go. You just have to aim it. Okay, there you go. Nice. And this, put the some gear. Put this one. There's 4 gears in there. Just put this and some washer. Go. Now. Hopefully you guys can see that. Alright. Okay. Just follow the manual. Alright. Let's put this inside. Oh shoot. Okay. Another one. Let's go to another one. This one. Good. Right. Good. Nice. That's it. So once you this house supposed to be look inside. So yeah, nice. Then so now this is done. I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the grease in there inside the oil grease and stink. Let me see. I don't know how much is it. Not sure. Says on the rear 3,000. Okay. Says on the rear 3,000. Say 3,000 rear. So I'm gonna put 3,000. I'm gonna open this. I have this right here from RC Waffle. I'm gonna see that 3,000. Make sure it's right, and I'm gonna put that in there. Gonna open this. And I'll put it inside. think I just gonna put everything, I think. I just gonna put it until it's gonna full. Let me see here. See what the manual say. I think you only put like at least 75%. Okay. 75% of this oil. I think think until here. Yeah. Yeah, should be good right there. I think a little more. Yeah, perfect. Hey guys, um, yeah, so see this, manual doesn't say like 75%, just kinda, what's how you call that, just just check it out, like at least 75% will tell you what is correct way to do it and incorrect. The other side is correct. It's you make it full, that's incorrect. It's only like 75%. Okay, see that? It doesn't say anything. It doesn't say. But yeah, like what I said, I'm not really expert on this, but at least I try to make it right according to the manual. Okay, so it's good to have it. If you for accurate, make sure it's 40 grams if you want it accurate. Now I'm gonna put this inside now. So now we're done. Now I'm gonna uh, lock this up. I think that's it. Just have to close it and aim the hole, and then put the hole right there. Perfect. The hole right there. And this puts the screw. Hopefully you can see that. And have my tools. Just screw it. I think I'd rather be standing like this, because if you put it down, you might spill the you might spill the oil. So just keep it standing position. Just keep it on standing position. There you go. Oh shoot. And so if you cannot open it, just open it like this. Use the screw. I mean, use the tool for them to open it. And just screw it. Hopefully you guys can see that. My forearm getting tired. Man, it's a lot of wrenching. I wish I have that drill, man. And another one, last one. I think this is only like 46 tooth. I like the. I think 46 tooth is alright, I guess. I don't know. You can change it to 48 tooth. It's up to you. My God. Woo! So my arm's getting tired. Man, gotta be a lot of racing for this thing. Shoot. Man. Yeah. There you go. Woo! And that's it, guys. We're done in the rear def. That's it. Look at that, man. Nice. And just finish it. Rear def. I think that's it. They're gonna rebuild more with this. Yeah. I think I'm done. I think I like to be. I think I like the 3-in-1 oil versus the WD-40. I think I lost. I don't know where I put my 3-in-1 oil. So I use the WD-40, but 3-in-1 oil is okay. I think it's good for the bearings. Yeah, nice soft bearings right here. Nice. You put oil, nice. I like the way it feels. But yeah. But yeah, let me. Alright, guys. That's it. And